Health. This award recognises teams that have developed and or are improving a product, a service, a process or a system to enhance the health and wellbeing of individuals, families and communities within an allied health setting. And now we're going to hear about two terrific teams who have been named finalists in this category.
The Advanced Rehab Centre team is recognised for their work in assisting patients with functional neurological disorders, FND, creating a multidisciplinary team approach to ensure patients have access to the very specific neurological rehabilitation required by this population. After realising the current approach to treating patients with FND in New South Wales was inconsistent and fractured, the team strove to create an evidence-based and dedicated multidisciplinary team approach. The FND team works with other clinicians to ensure patients have access to vestibular, musculoskeletal and chronic pain management consultants. Their tireless dedication to improving their FND treatment service has included conducting audits of existing practices, literature reviews, creating training programs for new clinicians, and connecting with a network of skilled medical and health professionals. Dementia Australia is recognised for their work in tailoring a program specifically for the requirements of men who are carers of a loved one living with dementia. The program, Blokes in a Caring Role, is the first of its kind in Australia and is run over several weeks to increase carers' understanding of dementia, learn practical strategies to manage behaviour changes, explore how their own role and identity has been affected by the caring role, and develop a plan to access support services. If male carers can access appropriate support with tailored interventions, carer load is reduced and enables a person living with dementia to remain at home for longer.
And congratulations to both of these amazing finalists. So please join me in welcoming Anna Jones from the team at Advanced Rehab Centre. Hi there, Anna. Nice to have you here tonight. Congratulations on your great work. And we have Vincent Poisson from Blokes in a Caring Role team, Dementia Australia. G'day to you, Vincent. Great to see you. Best of luck to you and your wonderful team as well in what is such a sensitive area of care. You are both just extraordinary. Absolutely extraordinary. Thank you. And the work you and your team's doing is making a huge difference, a real difference to the lives of so many Aussies everywhere. So thank you both for joining us tonight. It gives me great pleasure now to announce that the winner of the 2021 HESTA Award for Team Excellence in Allied Health is Advanced Rehab Centre team. Congratulations. And the team wins $7,500 to our awards from our awards partner, me, the Bank for You. Let's go back to their clinic manager, Anna Jones from Advanced Rehab Centre to find out a bit more. Hello again, Anna. Congratulations.
Hi. Thank you. That's wonderful. What an absolute honour. Thank you very much.
Can you tell us about some of the challenges that patients with functional neurological disorders face and, importantly, how your team have addressed them?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, this is a patient population that is historically just really underserviced, under-acknowledged, and to be honest, a lot of the general population probably have never even heard of this condition. So it's a condition that really needs us to raise awareness, both within the broader community, but also within the health profession itself, so that there are people out there, hopefully like services like ourselves, who are providing best practice care to this patient population. I mean, in terms of kind of numbers, it's a condition that, as I said, many people may have never heard of it, but it's probably just about as common as MS or Parkinson's. And so really there are a vast number of people out there with this condition living with a lot of challenges from a day-to-day basis. And our aim is really both to provide the therapy to support these people, but not only that, we also want to provide training and education to other allied health professionals so that we can expand the services across New South Wales, across Australia, potentially beyond, so that we're bringing those services more locally to people, because there is an absolute lack of services currently for these people. Small pockets scattered far and wide across Australia currently.
training and education, you hit on a vital point there. It is so important, isn't it? And doing more of it.
Absolutely. The things that we have in mind at the moment to be developing include developing an online course that people can access, obviously remotely from anywhere in their home, which is wonderful at the best of times. But of course, in the current climate, that lends itself really nicely to the way that people are working. So that's our first sort of stepping stone, is to provide that baseline level of a really comprehensive course for people to access from wherever they might be, and then building on that to provide, once COVID permits, sort of face-to-face workshops where people can come and learn some more of the practical side of working with this patient population. They can network as well. So, building networks between health professionals, I believe, is so important. I've learned so much along the way from other people, and we want to link people in so they can have that same experience.
Absolutely. Now, before we let you go, Anna, is there anyone else you'd like to thank on behalf of your team?
Oh, look, I'm very, very lucky to work in an amazing team. We've got amazing, dedicated, passionate, caring staff across the board, and some fantastic team members that work within our FND team. But look, I think a special shout out has to go to our founder, Melissa McConaughey, who just unwaveringly will support us in developing projects like this, developing services like this, and also to Melissa Harrison, who is our allied health manager, who helps to bring the team together, helps to put our ideas into practice, and basically all of us working together, hopefully we can really build these services for people that need them.
Anna, congratulations to you. Congratulations to the entire team. You're all amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you as well to Vincent and his great team as well from Blokes in a Caring Role for being here tonight. His team is doing some terrific work and some vital work too. Hats off once again to all of our finalists in the allied health categories. Now to everyone watching at home or